Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for math tests. The most effective approach involves consistent practice and a deep understanding of the underlying concepts. Don't just memorize formulas, truly grasp why they work. Regularly reviewing your errors is crucial for identifying areas needing more attention, transforming weaknesses into strengths. This focused effort will significantly improve your test performance. To practice effectively, always start by working through example problems thoroughly, understanding each step. Then, challenge yourself by solving similar problems without peeking at the solutions. This builds problem-solving muscles. As you get closer to the test, practice under timed conditions to improve your speed and accuracy, preparing you for the actual exam environment. Mastering math concepts means breaking down complex topics into manageable pieces. Try explaining these concepts aloud to yourself or a friend. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. Don't hesitate to ask questions or seek help for any areas that remain unclear. A solid conceptual foundation is your best asset for tackling diverse test problems. For your final review, create a concise formula sheet with key information you might forget. Prioritize getting adequate rest the night before your exam. A well-rested mind performs better. Remember, consistent effort leads to success. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Good luck with your test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.